we're going to control an Android device using our device. So first of all, for that, you need VirtualBox. So you can see the previous video, you can see it on your top right corner. You have to install Virtual Machine for that, as we need Kali Linux for this. So just follow the video, and after completing that, you can watch it again. So you need Kali Linux VirtualBox, or if you're already working on Kali Linux, then it's also fine. Just start your VirtualBox Kali Linux, your virtual machine, and let it start. So once it's open, just log into it. So as you can see, we've reached the main page of Kali Linux. So now you have to go to your terminal. What's terminal? Just type. You have to use a package for that. So just type in sudo apt-get install scrc-py. Once you've done that, it will ask for your password. So just type your password. Now it will install in your device. In mine, it's already installed. So 0 updated, 0 new installation, and 0 to remove. So it's already installed. It means, so let me show you. So for that, first you need to connect your device to your Kali Linux. So for that, just connect it through a wire. Once you connect, just connect your Kali Linux to this. So for that, just go to the devices and go to USB, and you can connect it from here. So let's connect it. Once installed, just connect it. So it will appear like this. It's connected. So now just go to terminal and check whether it can take it or not. So for that, PDB devices starting now. So as you can see, it's attached. Once attached, just type in. Now the work is done. As you can see. You will control it from here, from the mouse. Like this. So that was for the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.